Hi besties, hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, you're welcome. Before watching, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, click on the notification bell so each time I upload you're going to be notified. Today guys, I'm going to be going to a whiteboard party with my friends, so I'm so excited. I'm super excited. So we are going on a whiteboard party. This is summer, you know, your girl gotta rock. I lose some weight and all that, so I'm ready to rock my summer body. Guys, I told you guys I was gonna unbox my summer body. I'm going to do that today. I'm doing that today. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So this is like 12 in the afternoon, so I'm about to get ready. I'm supposed to pick up my friends by 2 p.m. so right now I'm about to get ready. I already take a shower, so I just want to do my makeup. So it's summer, it's hot out there, so I'm not going to be doing too much, so I'm just going to be applying a little bit of makeup, not too much, you know. It's not an indoor party, you know, so stay tuned with me while I get ready, guys. So I'm going to be starting with my foundation, my Fenty Beauty foundation. Yep. I wanted to use the Fenty Beauty, but I got this one yesterday. It's Skincare Perfection Comfort Matte Foundation. Let me try this. Usually I use the Fenty Beauty, but let me try this. I bought it yesterday, guys. Let me see if this is gonna soak into my skin. I'm just going to be applying some foundation. I already did my lashes, and then we're good to go. Whoa, this foundation is good, guys. Like you can see, it's good. This is my first time using this. I got it at Sephora yesterday. It's really good. Look at that. Yes, guys. So, how is your summer going? I'm going to be having a lot of fun today, guys. It's a mommy, let me say, all girls, mom, both, right? So just women. So it's actually a women crusade, let me say it like that. So we're going to be having a lot of fun, just us women, having different experiences, hearing from different people, you know. Sometimes when you go out there, it kind of help you mentally, spiritually, you know. And I'm ready, guys. I'm ready to go out there and rock. I'm ready to go out there and rock. I'm so excited because sometimes going out without the kids, we need to activate that, you guys. I need to keep that mommy me at home, that wifey me at home. Today is Alexia. This is Alexia, guys. I'm going out as Alexia. This is Alexia me about to be activated. So I'm just gonna be blending it well. I did my eyebrow, guys, so I'm not gonna be doing much to it because, as I said, I'm going to be sweaty. I sweat a lot on my face, so going to places like this, and I'm going to be putting on white. It's an all white party. I don't want to apply too much foundation that I might end up sweating, and then JJ, that's my son. Yeah. There you go. There you go. So for my lips, I'm just gonna be using like a lip shiny lip gloss. Nothing too crazy for my lip. Nothing too crazy for my lip. I'm going to be applying a little bit of highlight. Whenever I'm applying this guy, you already know I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm still gonna do it. I'm not a heavy makeup person, so don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. So let's go to my hair. Guys, I installed this wig by myself, so don't laugh. This is my first install. You see that? I did this install by myself for the first time last night. I'm so proud of myself. I know it's not perfect. Look at that. I know it's not perfect, but at least we did it, guys. We did it. Yes, guys, so yep, I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. That took probably like 20 minutes. Oops. So right now, guys, I'm about to change. So as I said, guys, it's an all white board, right? So we are putting on white. We are putting on white. Yes, guys, so this is the outfit for today. I'm going to be pairing it up with this shoes. Oh, let me get my socks. Yes, guys, so this is the outfit for them, right? So I'm ready. So my body is ready, guys. So guys, in total I've lost like 45 pounds, and this is just out of hard work. If you want to know how I lose weight, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making a whole full video of what I eat, how I work out, what I drink in a day in order to lose 45 pounds under 6 months. So this is my body right now. and I'm so excited. I'm so comfortable in my own skin, which is what I really wanted. So I was not losing weight because of anything else, but I just wanted to be comfortable in my own skin after having 3 babies. So this is me right now, and I feel like I'm really happy. I'm ready for a vacation, guys. Yeah, this is comfy and beautiful. So guys, so come with me, guys. I'm going to be taking you guys to our boat ride.